Welcome, everyone. So today we're doing a deep dive into Backona. It's this AI tool for marketing data.
That's right, an AI assistant. We've looked at their website, user surveys, some industry feedback, market info, even their financials.
And the big question, I guess, is can this tool really simplify getting marketing insights, especially for people who aren't data gurus?
Yeah, can AI bridge that gap? That's what we want to unpack.
Okay, so let's start with the problem they're trying to solve.
Well, it really jumps out from the materials. Marketers, they're often, let's say, frustrated with the usual analytics tools.
Like Google Analytics.
Exactly. GA is powerful, no doubt, but it's built for broad website analysis. Marketers need specific things: campaign performance, lead tracking.
And GA can feel like overkill, just too complex to find that one thing you need quickly.
Precisely. Feature overload is a real issue. It slows things down. Their own problems, the lister mentions this data is fragmented, insights take ages.
And we have some numbers on this, right, from the user survey.
We do. It's pretty telling. 44% of the marketers they surveyed said they struggled to actually use Google Analytics data effectively.
Wow, almost half.
Yeah. And another 26% find the interface difficult. That's a significant chunk feeling blocked by the tool itself.
And industry feedback says something similar.
4 out of 5 marketers finding GA too complex. And almost everyone, like 9 out of 10, dislikes building reports manually. It's tedious.
Okay, so that's the pain point. It's clear. How does Backona propose to, well, fix it?
Their solution is this chat-based AI assistant. The core idea is connection.
Connection.
Yeah, connects to your marketing tools. Right now it's Google Analytics and Google Search Console, but they plan to add more.
And then you just talk to it.
Basically, yes.
Yeah.
You ask questions in plain English, like the example they gave. How many visits did we have last month?
And it answers.
It gives you the number, but crucially, it might also break it down, say, by traffic source. So you get context immediately, which is what a marketer often needs.
Ah, so it's about getting straight to the point. Skipping the complex reports and dashboards if you just need a quick answer or trend.
Exactly. Simple custom reports, spotting trends, all through conversation. And this leads into what they see as their unique selling points.
They're differentiators.
Right. They talk about unified data access. The vision is connecting multiple sources, GA, ads, maybe CRM, later into one chat.
That sounds powerful, all in one place.
And then there's accessible for non-technical users. That's core. No complex queries needed.
Just plain language.
Yeah. Plus, intuitive data interaction, the chat itself. Effortless integration means easy setup with existing tools.
Okay, and they mentioned something about being proactive.
Proactive assistance, yeah.
Yeah.
The idea is the AI might eventually suggest insights you didn't even ask for. Like, hey, traffic from this source is trending down.
Interesting. But is the market actually big enough for this? I mean, are that many people struggling?
The numbers suggest yes, definitely. Think about it. 44 million websites use Google Analytics.
44 million. Okay.
And 14.2 million are already on GA4, the newer version, which many find even more complex initially. That's a huge potential user base.
And the wider market for these kinds of tools.
Also growing, the analytics as a service, or ARA's market basically, easier ways to get data insights, often cloud-based, was valued significantly back in 2021.
And it's projected to grow.
Substantially by 2028, yeah. There's a clear trend towards demanding simpler data solutions.
So they're tapping into a real need in a growing space. Where is Backona now in their journey?
They've been around for about 2 years, bootstrapped so far. Small team, about 6 people.
Self-funded for 2 years, okay.
They ran a beta in 2024, got some positive feedback, initial users free and paying. They even got some recognition at Web Summit. They do have a pricing model now.
And they're looking for investment, £750,000.
Correct. The plan for that funding is pretty standard for this stage.
Yep.
Speed up customer acquisition, hire more people, enhance the product capabilities.
Makes sense. Build out the team, build out the features.
And they have an eye on the future, mentioning potential exits like acquisition or maybe an IPO in, say, 6 to 8 years. Typical startup trajectory.
Got it. So wrapping this up for you listening, the core value proposition here from Backona seems to be about cutting through the noise.
Bypassing the complexity of traditional analytics tools.
Instead of wrestling with dashboards and reports, you could just ask your data questions conversationally and get straightforward answers to make better marketing choices.
Which leaves us with a thought to consider. Think about the actual time and resources, maybe frustration, that you or your team spend just trying to extract meaning from your marketing data right now.
What could you do with that time back? What strategic doors could open if getting those insights was, well, effortless and available to everyone on the team, not just the data specialists?
Yeah, where could those insights actually take your marketing if they were easier to get? Something to mull over.